this. Are you guys able to see my screen? Yes?
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
So first thing is, how do you access the modules and how do you like go into the LMS system and all those things? So the point is, you will get an email from Akila like this, where it says who is speaking, what topic, and this is the link, and you join the link as you guys know. So once you see that this is the module, name of the module, and who is actually teaching you at what time. So you just have to remember the name of the module. So just to make sure you follow all the the emails that Akila is sending you, and take this module name, and that's all you need from this email to look at the recording. Now you all have access to certificate programs, and the link is actually sent to you. I mean, was sent to you before, and you have your username, password. You would log in as I am doing. You would log in with your username, password. And once you log in, you're going to see this screen. So once you log in, you will be seeing this screen. Of course, this is an admin access, so you have all the other things. But for you, you're going to see only certificate programs in advanced drug safety and pharmacovigilance. So you click on this, and it will take you to the program. It will start with the course details and everything. The best thing that you can do is just click on any of the program, like how to do this program effectively. So once you click on it, you will see the program, how to do this program effectively, and there'll be a lot of videos that you can. All you got to do is just scroll through it, and there is page 1 of 3, page 2, page 3, and all those things. So in this, just go over them. You can write them down if you want, and if you see triage somewhere, that's where you can do it. So once you click on this, in the first page itself, here is your triage. So if you go to triage, you click on this. This is the triage video, because it says August 2021, and you click on this, you will see the video that we went over, where I did it last week. So this is the one that we did last week. So you can go to all this recording, you can autoplay it and do whatever you need. So that's how you access the modules, and that's as simple as it is. Is that clear?
Yes.
Cool. So now I'm going to break this. I'm going to stop this recording.